Restaurants and eateries specializing in vegetarian and vegan food. The vegetarian and vegan lifestyle is becoming increasingly popular as more people become aware of the environmental and ethical issues associated with animal agriculture. As a result, vegetarian and vegan restaurants and eateries are popping up all over the world, offering delicious and healthy plant-based meals to customers. In this article, we will explore some of the best vegetarian and vegan restaurants and eateries around the world. Gracias Madre, Los Angeles, California. Gracias Madre is a vegan Mexican restaurant located in the heart of West Hollywood. The restaurant serves a variety of plant-based dishes inspired by traditional Mexican cuisine, including tacos, enchiladas, and tamales. Gracias Madre uses locally sourced organic ingredients and offers an extensive list of organic and biodynamic wines. Mildred's, London, United Kingdom. Mildred's is a vegetarian restaurant with 4 locations across London. The restaurant serves a variety of vegetarian and vegan dishes inspired by global cuisine, including curries, burgers, and salads. Mildred's uses organic and locally sourced ingredients and offers a range of gluten-free and nut-free options. Veggie Galaxy, Cambridge, Massachusetts. Veggie Galaxy is a vegetarian diner located in Cambridge, Massachusetts. The restaurant serves a variety of vegetarian and vegan comfort food, including burgers, sandwiches, and breakfast dishes. Veggie Galaxy uses locally sourced and organic ingredients and offers a range of gluten-free and soy-free options. Veg, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Veg is a vegan restaurant located in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. The restaurant serves a variety of plant-based dishes that are inspired by global cuisine, including small plates, entrees, and desserts. Veg uses locally sourced and organic ingredients and offers an extensive list of natural and biodynamic wines. The Butcher's Daughter, New York, New York. The Butcher's Daughter is a vegetarian restaurant with 4 locations across New York City. The restaurant serves a variety of vegetarian and vegan dishes, including salads, sandwiches, and juices. The Butcher's Daughter uses locally sourced and organic ingredients and offers a range of gluten-free and nut-free options. Green Common, Hong Kong. Green Common is a vegetarian and vegan eatery located in Hong Kong. The restaurant serves a variety of plant-based dishes, including burgers, salads, and noodles, and also offers a range of vegan groceries and products. Green Common uses locally sourced and organic ingredients and promotes sustainability and environmental awareness. The Coup, Calgary, Canada. The Coup is a vegetarian restaurant located in Calgary, Canada. The restaurant serves a variety of plant-based dishes, including salads, sandwiches, and entrees. The Coup uses locally sourced and organic ingredients and offers a range of gluten-free and vegan options. Karen's Cooked, Chicago, Illinois. Karen's Cooked is a vegan restaurant located in Chicago, Illinois. The restaurant serves a variety of plant-based dishes, including soups, salads, and entrees. Karen's Cooked uses organic and non-GMO ingredients and also offers a range of gluten-free and raw food options. The Plant Cafe Organic, San Francisco, California. The Plant Cafe Organic is a vegetarian and vegan restaurant with multiple locations across San Francisco. The restaurant serves a variety of plant-based dishes, including burgers, sandwiches, and salads. The Plant Cafe Organic uses organic and locally sourced ingredients and also offers a range of